In the vast expanse of space, even the tiniest debris can pose a significant threat. Space debris, from defunct satellites to discarded rocket parts, orbits our planet at extremely fast speeds, endangering satellites, the International Space Station, and future space missions, potentially leading to substantial financial losses. To address this growing concern, we turn to Anicca's cutting-edge computer vision technology. Now, let's see this remarkable technology in action. We've recorded and analyzed real-world scenarios, even in the challenging conditions of a dimly lit room, to simulate the darkness of space. Our computer vision system scans the cosmos 24/7. It identifies and tracks debris, ensuring early warnings and potential collision avoidance, thereby protecting valuable assets and preventing costly damages. With Anicca's computer vision technology, there are no blind spots in space surveillance, offering comprehensive protection for valuable assets and contributing to a secure future for space exploration. Are you ready to join us on this exciting journey into the world of debris detection using computer vision technology? You can reach out to us via email or visit our website for further details. Thank you for your interest and stay tuned for more updates.